Welcome to the heart of Melbourne's Little Italy. This is Lygon Street, Carlton. Something new is turning heads. People are lining up for miles. From the comedic trio Sushi Mango, behind the popular Johnny Vince and Sam's restaurant, comes a fresh flavour to the block. Sangaweech, a panini bar with authentic sandwiches just like Nonna used to make. This isn't just a sandwich, as Angela, Carmela and Giuseppina would say. It's a Sangaweech! Today is the grand opening and we find out if this new hotspot earns its place on Melbourne's most iconic food street. So the only question left is, Mangiasti. I'm Piero. Let's mange! So the way I rate the food, I thought I'd have a little bit of fun and do some pop culture references. If you get the pop culture references, you realise how good or how crap the food is. So enjoy, and in most cases, come down and you don't miss out on a really good experience.
Piero.
Oh,
hello.
How you going?
How are you?
Good. Yeah. So today's Sangaweech. Which one are you looking for?
The salami. The sausage one with tandoori. Spicy.
I'm not fast.
Everything.
I'll eat everything.
Well, tomatoes are going really well. And
Did you get my stick one?
I've got some nice ones. Not bad. But kugutsa's not growing. Do you have a problem with the kugutsa growing?
And
anybody?
tomatoes?
No? You're number one in the line, bro.
Yeah. Yes.
How did this happen?
Waking up at 3, getting here by 6.
And were you the only one here?
Yeah, and then shortly after this girl and then this boy, and then it was just us for a while, then it started rolling in.
Wow. So it's all happening. It's fantastic, isn't it? Siamo qua con, I'm talking Italian. Siamo qua con Mare Angela, Giuseppina e Carmela.
Yes. Speak English, please.
Okay. So, today, grand opening. What's the best sandwich on the menu?
Oh, salmon, everyone's good, but for me, my flavor one is called the wooden spoon. It's got a chicken cotoletta inside, stracciatella, fresh, everything fresh. And afterwards, someone smack you with the wooden spoon too.
I like the one with the sausage and the peppers and the potatoes. It's called the sausage festa. Sausage festa, because I like a salsiccia, you know.
I like everyone, as you can see. I'm
I'm
fat.
Hey, listen, where's the one called the Pippo Siciliano? He's a very nice man, beautiful man. I like him.
He like you very much. Oh, I'm starting to talk like he likes you very much too. He likes all of you.
I see.
Maybe one day together we have.
That would be great.
Maybe one day I want to touch his tomatoes. You understand?
Thank you very much for coming today.
Yeah.
We love you very much. Lygon on the street, it's a back. Make Lygon Italian again. Everyone.
I'm one of the partners here with the Sushi Boys, so I help put all this together and make sure everyone's happy.
What's the best sandwich here today?
Easily the wooden spoon, the chicken cotoletta is made fresh to order. It's egg wash, crumb to order, fried special right there with nice oil. It's incredible, it's juicy, it's flavourful. The best one going around.
What? I know you're not going to tell me the secret, but they look extra juicy like Nonna makes.
Yeah.
What's the secret?
You go to a lot of places that the cotoletta's an afterthought. You know, they fry it, they leave it there and they grab it. I think we just put a lot of time and effort. The temperature of the oil is a little different, the blend of the oil is a little different, but we put a lot of care in it.
Thank you, mate, and congratulations again.
Weather Waste Network, we take care of the boys here. Obviously, massive day. We've rolled out a big waste management plan. Sustainability, these guys are doing the right thing. Check us out. Good
Well
luck.
done, Frank. Grazie, mate. How long have you been waiting for?
Since 6 a.m.
6 a.m. And what were you in the line? Second, third?
Second. Yeah.
Fantastic. And what did you order?
I got a couple ones to bring home, but the one I'm most excited about is the ball breaker.
The ball breaker. What's in that?
It's got meatballs and a whole bunch of stuff.
Oh, wow. Sounds pretty good. Okay, everyone, we're in the interior of Sangaweech. I'm going to tell you, as you can see, we've got Dean Martin, that's amore. It's got such a nostalgic feel. If you haven't been here, come down. Come down. These people have been probably in the line for a few hours now, and it's just unbelievable, and it just goes for ages. I just picked up one side, it goes all the way around. It's unbelievable. I'm here with Salvatore and Arianna, and we've just got some awesome panini from Sangaweech. So let's take, we're all gonna have a taste at the same time, all right? Gin gin, everyone, gin gin, and let's go. Get in. Bro, please. Bro, please, please. First impression. That's how you do it, you sign off.
I'll be back.
Right now we're going to enjoy our Sangaweech with our canottos. Again, thank you boys, and this is Mangiasti. Arrivederci, ciao.